Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Cliqq WiFi. First, open your device's settings and navigate to the wireless or network section. Make sure your wireless capability is turned on. You will then see a list of available networks. Have your Cliqq WiFi password handy. It is essential for a quick and successful connection. This initial preparation saves time and prevents frustration. Once you have located the Cliqq WiFi network, tap on its name to select it. A prompt will appear asking for the password. Carefully type your Cliqq WiFi password into the designated box. It is crucial to double-check for any typos or incorrect characters. A single incorrect letter or number will prevent your device from establishing a connection. If you encounter issues connecting, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your device and the Cliqq WiFi router. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, ensure you are physically close enough to the router for a strong signal, ideally within 20 to 30 feet. Finally, re-enter your password very carefully, as a small error can prevent access. To maintain a stable Cliqq WiFi connection, regularly update your device's operating system. Updates often include network improvements. Place your Cliqq router in an open area, away from large metal objects or other electronics that can interfere with the signal. For larger homes or offices, a Wi-Fi extender can significantly improve coverage and ensure a consistent connection throughout your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.